RTC setting. Now we're going to show the real-time display or setting function. What we need now is a background picture with a clock panel. And the function we're going to use is 1. Dial clock display. 2. Text RTC display. 3. RTC settings. First, let's begin with a dial clock display. Choose a function and select the center of the clock panel. So first we need to select 3 icons as our hour hand, minute hand, and second hand. Select the icon file first. Choose the hour hand icon. Press OK. And select the coordinate of the center. Set the same setting for minute hand and second hand. Then a basic dial clock has been set. And to add a text clock was very easy. Just select the function and click where you want to display. A simple text real-time clock will show up. And you can set the font and format here. After we set these two clocks, we need to add a time set in case we like to change the time display. By click the real-time setting clock, we will select the time set button area. First, we need to set a keyboard to input the data, because we don't have the keyboard in the current page, so we need to borrow a keyboard from another page. By uncheck the option and click here, we can select the keyboard we have set before, the keyboard in page 49, and select the keyboard area. Show the location means you can choose where your keyboard will pop out. After we set the keyboard, we shall set the input text display. When we click the Show Keyboard, the full keyboard will pop out. So you can choose the input display area just by one click. The text display can be customized. After all set is done, we can save, generate configuration file, and then download.